Okay, see, here we have a positive terminal of a battery which has to be connected to the positive. In this particular board, there is some color mistakes. So see, this is the positive terminal of a battery which has to be connected to the P type of a semiconductor. So I'm just putting a wire in between these two points, and a negative terminal of a battery has to be connected to the N region. Okay, so I have connected it. Now since I am doing a forward bias, I'm going to put these buttons for the forward bias connections. Okay, and now we are going to take the readings. Just observe the meters, both the meters. Okay, if you observe this, the voltmeter, even if it is zero point 0.4, zero point 0.6, zero point 0.7 approximately, still there is no current flowing through the milliammeter. Okay, as soon as it is just crossing 0.8, it has started showing you the readings on the milliammeter, correct? And then it suddenly increases. Okay, we are going to note down the readings of this particular thing. You observe that there was no current flowing up to say 0.8 volt, and as soon as we crossed that 0.8, 0.7 volt, it has started showing you the current on the milliammeter. Now I'm going to write the readings. After that, you are supposed to plot a graph of forward bias and reverse bias. Okay, so up to say 0.4, no current flows. 0.5. Okay, so it has started showing current. So for 0 volt, it was 0 milliammeter. As soon as it was from 0.2, it was 0 milliammeter. For 0.4, it was 0 milliammeter. For 0.6 also it was 0, and say for 0.7 volt, 0.8 volt we will say, it is started showing. Okay, now it is started showing at 0.6 also. Okay, we'll note down that also now. If you see the least count of this one is, there are 0 to 0.4, 0 to 0.4. So in between 0 to 0.4 we have 10 divisions, so each division is of 0.4 volt. Okay, so this is now at 4.48. At 0.48, what is the current? It is, say, at 0.48, the current which is flowing is, on milliammeter scale you can see it is 0 to 2. So each division is of 0.2, each division is of 0.2 milliampere, so it is 0.4 milliammeter. Now we will move further. Say record the reading at, we'll record the reading at 0.8 volt. For 0.8 volt, the current is 4 milli 4 milliammeter. We'll take a reading in between that also, say 0.6. For 0.6 it is 1.8. For 0.6 it is 1.8. I just missed that reading. Then we will move ahead. We'll go to say 1 volt. For 1 volt, it is showing you the current of 6.2 milliammeter. For 1.2, For 1.2 it is showing you the reading of 9.2. 1.2 it is 9.2, and say for 10 milliampere, for 10 milliampere it is showing you 1.24. 1.24. We will take one more reading in between this, because we are supposed to take 10 readings, so it would be easier for you to plot a graph. Okay, the in between readings here, we will take it at 4, say at 5 milliampere. Please adjust it properly and then we will record it. Okay, so it is 0.8 and the third division, so it is 0.92. For 0.92 volt, for 0.92 volt you are having a 5 milliampere current. Similarly we will do it for reverse bias.